thought I'd give you a quick look around this bag. It's a camera, well it's not a camera bag, it's a fishing bag actually. I've been hunting high and low for a camera bag, which will take all my bits and bobs. I've got a Sony Osmo Pocket 3 in a little case, a Skyreach case. I'll put a link below to that, that'll be an affiliated link. I also own a couple of GoPros in a case, and I've also got a Sony E10, which I haven't got with me today. We're away for the weekend, so this bag I've been using as a camera bag and a travel bag. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you around it. It's camera bags are really, really expensive. This was a nice price. This is a solar undercover Carp tackle bag. Really, really handy. So maybe you want to steer away from a camera bag and take a little look at this. But what I'll do, I'll bring the camera in, undo a few zips, and I'll show you where I've put my bits and bobs. So starting from the front there, people, we've got the solar undercover logo emblem on there, stuck on there. We've got a nice large side pocket. Obviously this is, if you're into fishing, if you don't know anything about carp fishing, this will be for your rods and pods, I would have thought. I'm not really sure. I mean, you can use this as a fishing bag, it's what it is. Open it up there, a lovely pocket there. At the moment I've not got a lot on there. I've got my earbuds in there for the trip away. Obviously you've got other bits and pieces in there, phones, sunglasses, any camera equipment you want you can put in there. As I say, it's a fishing bag, not a camera bag, but it's perfect for my needs. And I thought a lot of you out there probably be looking for a camera bag that does it all, and they're not on the market, or they're so flipping expensive. This pocket here, the end pocket, nice zips as well. With carp fishing equipment, you always get some nice zips, nice solid thick zips. I've got there my wash kit and my carp. Actually, it's Jill's keys, but it's my partner's keys. So my wash kit's in there because we've had a trip away. But obviously, you could put some camera. That could be a small camera bag, but we're having a weekend away, so I mean, this is the sort of bag you could take away with you for the weekend on the plane. Put a whole lot in there. So there's wash kit in there, fits in there nicely. We'll go to the other end. Strap wise, we've got handles there, two handles there, which are nice and solid. You've got the usual handle that joins it together, and then the main strap there. It's not even joined onto rings, it's joined onto like this. Can you see that? Like a cloth connector there. Lovely, lovely padded shoulder. And you've got the adjustment there, okay? So let's spin it round now to the other end, the other pocket, which is the same as the pocket there I've just looked at. We'll spin that round. You can see that's quite well packed up under this pocket. We've got my, that's my Osmo Pocket 3 in there. So we've got the Skyreach case there, which I've got my Osmo Pocket 3 in. Open up the lid there. I've got the extra pack, so I got the, when I got my Osmo Pocket 3, I bought the kit. The media kit, what they call it. So you've got your mini tripod there, your battery there, you've got the external mic fixing lamp there. I've also got the end piece that you get with it, but I bought this. I'll put a link to this. These are quite rare. I think I bought that from abroad, one of these Chinese sites. That screws on the bottom. That's brilliant. If you put that in the bottom of the camera, you got your Arca Swiss mount there, which is brilliant. So that actually stays on that like that. All fits in there. So that's another little item you can get hold of the Skyreach case. I'll try and do that one-handed. There you go. Right, so that fits in perfectly in the end there. So that's the two end pockets and the side pockets. Just open up quickly in the top quickly. Have a quick look at the top. Nice solid thick zip there. Obviously I've got clothes. We're away for the weekend, so I've got items of clothing here as well. But if you open it up there, take the shoes out, and you'll see got my case there, low pro case with all my GoPro stuff in it, and clothing and items of clothing in there. But obviously if the items of clothing weren't there, if you wasn't going away anywhere for the weekend, you'd have all the rest of your photography gear in there as well. I didn't have the shoes in there. I did actually fit my drone in there as well. I think. Left those shoes out, I could actually fit my drone in there as well. Look, it's just easy to carry the drone over my shoulder at the moment. So if I didn't have a spare pair of shoes, that'd fit in there lovely. Look at that. Right, that's the DJI E10 in its case that they supply with you. Purchase of that. So if you're looking for a case, I can recommend that one. So that's it, people. Quick look around the solar undercover carp fishing tackle bag. I mean, you may want to purchase this for your carp fishing, but as a general camera bag or general weekend away bag, you can't go wrong with this. It's really, really good. So much cheaper than an actual real camera bag, as it were, because they're so overpriced, camera bags. And as you can just hopefully see from that video that I just did, This fits most of the gear you want in it. Carry that in the plane and put that in the overhead luggage. Perfect little bag, can't go wrong. Saw it here first, people. Fishing tackle bag as a camera bag. Brilliant purchase. I've loved it. I've used it all weekend this weekend away. It's been really, really good. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe for many more.